In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer product waitlist on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch a product to a waitlist so interested customers can raise their hand before you're ready to sell. First, head to your Podia dashboard and open the products area. This is where all your products live, whether they're courses, digital downloads, or coaching. Find the specific product you want to put on a waitlist and click Edit to open its settings. If you're juggling multiple products, it can help to use the search or filters so you're editing the right one. Now let's set the offer type to waitlist. Inside the product editor, go to the Pricing tab. Here's where you control how people access the product. Click Edit, or it may appear as Change Offer depending on what you see. From the available options, choose Waitlist as the offer type. This tells Podia to stop offering immediate purchase or enrollment and instead collect signups from interested people. It's perfect when you're validating demand, building anticipation, or finalizing content before launch. Be sure to save this change. Don't skip this step, saving locks in the waitlist setting so it actually takes effect on your product page. After saving, your storefront will replace a Buy button with a Join the Waitlist option, and prospective customers can leave their email to be notified later. Next, publish the product so people can join the waitlist. After selecting Waitlist, go to the Availability tab. Change the product status to Published. If it stays in draft, the page won't be accessible and no one will see the waitlist. Publishing doesn't mean people can buy right now. It just means the product page is live for collecting interest. While you're in availability, configure any visibility or access settings you need. For example, you might keep the product publicly visible so anyone can find it, or set it to hidden if you prefer to share the link, only with specific audiences. Choose the option that best fits how you plan to announce and promote your waitlist. That's it. To recap, open products, edit the item you want, switch the offer type to waitlist from the Pricing tab, save your changes, then go to Availability, publish the product, and adjust visibility to match your launch strategy. With that done, your audience can join the waitlist today, and you'll be ready to notify them the moment you're ready to open the doors.